Hola pajareros, ¿cómo están? Soy Mike Lu de la Feria Asiática de Aves. Hi, I'm Mike Lu from the Asian Bird Fair and I'm coming to the South American Bird Fair this November. I'm sharing with you how I discovered the world of birds and started the bird watching club in the Philippines, and how attending the different bird fairs in Asia led to the founding of the Asian Bird Fair in 2010. The Asian Bird Fair was created to highlight the different bird fairs in Asia, as well as to promote the bird watching and ecotourism potential of the selected host city. The two-day event gathers conservation NGOs, the academe, birding tour operators, and birdwatching related industries. As we celebrate our 10th year anniversary in 2019, the Asian Bird Fair continues to be hosted by a different Asian city every year, making it the longest running continental bird fair in the world. So whether you are a bird watcher looking to add Asian species to your bird list, or a tour company owner wanting to attract Asian birders to your part of the world, the Asian Bird Fair is a place to be. Each person has a unique story to tell. In sharing my story, I also look forward to listening to your stories and learning from your experiences. So come on over to the VIII South American Bird Fair on November 1 to 5 in Manizales, Colombia. Vamos a Colombia, vamos a la Feria de Aves de Sudamérica.